How would you like to crash a $2.1 million Koenigsegg One? Well, that's exactly what happened at the Nurburgring in Germany just a few days ago. This racetrack's awesome, but it's not awesome to crash at. This is bad news for Koenigsegg because there's only one of 7 Koenigsegg's. This thing's a 1,300 horsepower car. It's a hypercar that was tested for a possible record run at the famous track, and it got into a little trouble when it went in there just a little too hot. The truth is, this can happen with any kind of car. Any car can lose control and wad it up in the fence. Unfortunately, this car is over $2 million, so that one kind of stings. There's no reason for the crash yet, but Koenigsegg says the car is a safe car and safety was a priority. I'm sure it still stings though. The good news is they say they're going to try to rebuild this car and go at it again. My question for you is, what would you do if that was your car?